Oh, I need to get something. Oh, watch out, Sam. Oh, I've done it again. Bloody lent on the fridge. Every time Sam's doing the washing up and I need to get past, I bump into the fridge. It's so annoying. You just need to brush against it and the settings change. It beeps at you. It might be in the middle of the night, you get up to go to the toilet. Beep, wakes everyone up. So, off of eBay, buy a bit of plastic. It's got sticky velcro, comes with an alcohol cleaning wipe on it, and we're not going to beep every time you're doing the washing up again, Sam. It's going to be perfect. We are just going to use the wipe, give it a good clean. See, every time you touch it, beep, beep, beep. So that's it clean. Peel off the, thank you Sam. You're gonna peel off the Velcro pads. Well done. And then stick it as straight as you can. Just there. Sam's helped me stick that on. Still got the protective film and a little thank you sticker on the front. But as well as it now not beeping if you brush up against it, it's also not a really bright blue light shining
right in the middle of,
yeah, right in your face in the middle of the night. Win-win. Under £10 on eBay. Link will be in the description below.